Good afternoon, this Monday, the 6th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The local markets started the week in negative territory, closing the day down 0.25% ahead of the RBA's rate hike decision for February out tomorrow, which is the first interest rate decision for 2023. Real estate stocks were the hardest hit today as investors anticipate the impact another rate hike will have on REIT stock balance sheets, with the sector closing Monday's session down more than 1.6%. Furniture retailer Nick Scali tumbled more than 13% today after posting first half results, including a 12.1% decline in written sales orders for January 2023. Revenue growth of 57.4% though, and an NPAT up 70.2% on the prior corresponding period. Investors may have sold out of the furniture retailer's shares today after the company failed to provide guidance beyond January, citing its second half results will depend on trading during February to April, and at this point it is difficult to provide further guidance, which didn't impress investors, sparking fears of tougher times to come as interest rates continue rising and consumer spending declines. Beach Energy shares lifted today after the gas producer released an update on the Waitsia Stage 2 project. The oil and natural gas explorer and producer today said it has reached an agreement with Webuild for the completion of the Waitsia Stage 2 project, with the Waitsia joint venture and Webuild now targeting first gas by the end of 2023, 6 months later than the original target date, at an increased capex estimate of $400 to $450 million, up from the original $350 to $400 million. Webuild's acquisition of Clough, who was originally contracted to complete the Waitsia project, will see a seamless transition for the Webuild team to complete the Waitsia project. Hot takeover target Warrego Energy rose 3% today after Gina Rinehart's Hancock Prospecting confirmed it has increased its takeover bid for the company to 36 cents per share from 28 cents per share to end the bidding war over Warrego, with Hancock Prospecting now having a 50.54% stake in the company. The increase in Hancock's holding was made possible by Hancock partner Mineral Resources selling its shares in Warrego to Hancock for 36 cents per share. The winning stocks from today's session were Newcrest Mining adding 9.3% after receiving a takeover offer. Beach Energy rallied 3.7% on the Waitsia update, and Incitec Pivot added 3.22% today. And on the losing end, Lake Resources led the losses today, closing down 6.21%, while Sayona Mining fell 5.77% and Core Lithium dropped 5.75% today. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were Rio Tinto, Newcrest Mining and Macquarie Group. Taking a look at commodities, crude oil has recovered this afternoon to trade 0.18% higher at $73.51 a barrel as the International Energy Agency sees China's economy could be poised for a stronger than expected rebound, which will boost demand for crude. Coal is down 3.67% at $236 a tonne. Gold is up 0.66% at $1,877 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.8% at $126.50 a tonne. The Australian dollar is buying 69 US cents, 91.51 Japanese yen, 57.26 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 10 cents. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful evening. We'll see you in the morning for the morning bell ahead of another busy trading day. As always, happy investing.